So this is Taylan. He's our customer service advisor for AUTOID. And this is his bone stock F80 M3. But it's not going to be stock for much longer.
Oh my God.
As he works at AUTOID, his car cannot stay stock. So we wanted to fit a carbon kit to the car. But what he doesn't know is today we're going to be fitting new wheels, an equal length Miltech exhaust system, and a set of lowering springs. Let me show you all the parts which are going on the car today. So the wheels that are going on today are the Bowler FP2 fully forged wheels. These actually come off of my car and he hasn't got a clue we're gonna be gifting these to him today. I managed to get Miltech to kindly hook us up with a full equal length catback system as well. So this car is now gonna sound insane. We're gonna be fitting the full TRE pre-preg carbon fiber body kit, which consists of side skirts, spoiler, rear diffuser, and the aggressive GT front splitter, along with a set of eye-back lowering springs to make sure the fitment is gonna look really good. So an F80 M3 has always been Taylan's dream car, and I cannot wait to start building this because he's honestly gonna be bricked up when he sees the end product. We're gonna start with one of the easiest parts first, and that is just gonna be popping on the rear spoiler. So we're gonna have to pop the stock spoiler off and replace it with the new TRE CS spoiler. So we've just popped the car on the ramp and Kai is going to start working on the exhaust. Should we give it some stock revs first so people can hear what it sounds like?
Let's see what it sounds like.
Let's give it some revs. What do you think about that, Kai? So you're going to do the exhaust now.
Yep.
I'm going to do the front splitter and rear diffuser because I like doing the easy bits.
Yep.
This is the TRE 3-piece diffuser. We're going to be swapping out the factory carbon one. This is an optional extra factory one, but the new one, as you can see, is a lot more aggressive. It comes down a little bit more with bigger fins. It's also going to have some side spats which come around the side, so it should look really nice. Nice and easy install, 2 bolts and clips. Mate, that's literally just falling off. Good job we're changing it. And that was easy. That went in a lot more solid. That's in all solid now. We've just got to put the side spats in. So this actually fits with all new bolts, which I'm going to get some new bolts in. I'm just going to run a line of 3M tape across that so it gets stuck up into place, and then I can line it up ready for when I drill some holes.
What are you doing under here, Kai?
Just starting getting the exhaust off.
It looks like this exhaust hasn't been off since the car was made, so the bolts are a bit rusty. So Kai's just sprayed some WD-40 on there to hopefully make his life a little bit easier when it comes to removing these bolts.
Right, let's get that lined up. Now that's held into place, I can start drilling some holes. Is everything all right?
No.
What's happening?
Bloody F-series.
What's going on?
Rusty bolts.
See, this is why I chose the easy job. So if just the diffuser and the spoiler, the rear end looks absolutely insane. It looks so fat. But if you look at this, the exhaust tips look a little bit skinny. But that doesn't matter because we're going to be changing that out for the new Miltech tips with the Miltech system. So Kai's still working on getting the exhaust dropped off. I'm going to do the front splitter now, so I need to get these bolts out, give it a wipe over and get the new splitter installed. I'm in my eye. So we've got the exhaust coming down now. So now I'm going to get the front splitter on. I've peeled back the 3M tape, going to line the holes up. Fingers crossed it goes straight on. He has got these bits. So usually these impact how the splitter will fit because this butts right up against that. So we're going to try and make it fit as best as possible with the carbon canards. Update, we've got the downpipe bolts out. That was a nightmare. We had it in the vise.
Look at this contraption we've built. There we go. Voila.
I had a Dremel on it. But we have a hole now and we're going to put 2 new stainless bolts through these because these were completely seized. Only took 2 hours. The exhaust is now all on. I'm going to start taking off the wheels because I'm going to do the rear suspension whilst Kai does the front. He's just tightening a few bolts up. We do need to fit the exhaust tips and get them lined up ready for the new diffuser. We're doing pretty well on time. We got held back a little bit with them seized nuts, but we're flying, aren't we, Kai? Yeah. Doing all right. Doing all right. So we're also going to be swapping out the grills to some black ones, purely because he's going for black wheels. These might be making a return if he decides to go silver wheels in the future, but I'm going to do a quick way of getting these off. The last front spring is being done at the moment. That is going well, touch wood. Now the Taylan's here. We're going to put the stock tyres from his old wheels onto the new wheels and then we'll drop the car down, get the skirts on, and we should be getting close. I have about 2 hours left in the day, so we should be fine. We're going to see Tay's reaction real soon. Taylan's car is now all complete and I think it looks so much better, to be honest. But now I'm going to go upstairs, I'm going to go grab him and let's see what he thinks. Now he's got a load of new extra bits on it. This is Taylan, by the way.
Hello.
You ready to see your car?
Yeah, I am.
Come on then, let's go. We've been grafting on it today.
Yeah, I know, I've not seen you lot all day.
The carbon kit looks good.
Yeah, I'm buzzing.
Legit.
Oh, mad. Bro, I didn't buy wheels though. I didn't buy wheels.
We swapped them out. They were the ones I had on my car before, and I thought they'd look a little bit better.
Yeah, they look
on your car.
banging. Is it lower as well?
Yeah, we lowered it.
What?
Yeah, we lowered it.
Come on, bruv. It's mad, mate.
It looks unreal, doesn't
Buzzing.
it? The front is going to drop a little bit more because it's still going to settle, but overall,
Yeah, mega.
the fitment and it looks unreal.
Did you put tips on it?
Oh yeah, we put some exhaust tips on it. We changed the exhaust tips on it. We put some black ones on because obviously you've got black wheels now.
Yeah, they look mega, mate.
They look
banging.
better.
Yeah, mad.
Have you ever noticed when you like start a car after you've changed tips that it sounds a bit better?
No.
Start up then, because these tips sound mad when you start it.
What, the tips sound mad as well?
No, the tips sound mad.
Well, that sounds louder.
Give it a rev.
Oh my God. Wait, someone else rev it. I need to hear that. Someone else rev it.
So Miltech hooked us up with an exhaust for your car. It's full equal length cutback.
Mate, give us a rev here. Mad. Carbon with the colour of the car just looks 10 out of 10 now. I feel like it
needed it.
something to break up the colour because it's quite a bright car.
Yeah, silver is like a bit of a less aggressive looking colour, and now where it's got all like the black and the carbon.
Yeah,
it looks
100%.
Unreal.
10 out of 10.
And the rear end.
Thank you, bruv.
It's alright, bro. Look at it from the back.
Yeah.
Properly. Let's open this up.
Yeah, mad. It don't feel like my car, mate. Actually doesn't feel like my
It's
car.
been quite a big transformation, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's changed everything. Yeah, 10 out of 10, bro.
You happy with it?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what you was gonna think. When
No,
we put
I
the
love
wheels
it.
on.
No, I love
by
it.
the way, they're your stock tyres.
Yeah,
So we
sick.
swapped the stock tyres off of the other wheels, but
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, sick.
Nice one,
Perfect,
G.
bro. Thank you, bro.
That's all
Thank
good.
you, guys.
If you like any of the parts that were featured in the video, they're all available on our store and you can purchase them by going onto the AUTOID website and using code YouTube5 and you'll get a discount off of your order. We've got a crack on now because behind me, we've got another F82 M3 and that's having suspension and springs fitted. So we'll catch you guys next Sunday at 4 PM.